Chiko the Chipmunk. Sneezing manners. Say ALHAMDULILLAH and YARHAMUKALLAH. Now where is that shiny pebble? I am pretty sure I hid it right here under a yellow flower. Or was it under a rock? Is it on this side? Maybe. Is it on that side? I really can't remember. These flowers make my nose itchy.
A-choo!
Alhamdulillah.
Yarhamukallah.
Huh? Did you hear that? Someone said, Yarhamukallah, but I don't see anyone here but me. Maybe it's just my imagination. Oh dear, I am about to sneeze again. Alhamdulillah.
Yarhamukallah.
Hello? Is a ghost talking to me? You heard that voice too, right? Wah!
I'm not a ghost, Chiko. I'm Hulu.
Hulu? Since when were you here?
I've been here since before you arrived. And why didn't you send a prayer back to me? I've been praying for you every time you sneeze.
Oh, Hulu, I didn't even know you were there.
What are you looking for anyway? I saw you searching for something.
My shiny pink pebble.
You mean the one right under your left foot?
Oh my goodness, it was here all along. Stay back, Hulu. I'm about to,
A-choo!
Alhamdulillah. All praise is due to Allah.
Yarhamukallah. May Allah have mercy on you.
يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم. May Allah guide you and set your affairs in order.
Here, some leaves.
What for?
To wipe your runny nose, of course.
Oh, thank you. Hey, it smells like mint. My nose feels much better now. But we better go from here, or I will,
A-choo!